Good morning, dear children. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to start a lesson number 11, Moon Landing. So let us begin. The moon has always fascinated humans. It looks lovely in the dark sky amid the twinkling stars. So pure and beautiful that people have wondered what it must really be like. Do you know that it is so far and yet the Earth's natural satellite controls the movement of tides in our sea and oceans? Can you imagine the excitement created when the first spacecraft landed on the moon? To get some idea, read the following extract by Kenneth Agar. Now, we all must have seen moon and we all love the moon. It is the most fascinated thing for the humans. Fascinated means the things which attract us the most. So the moon in the dark sky, when we see it between the small twinkling stars, it looks very pretty. It is so beautiful that earlier in old ages when human had not visited moon, at that time, people used to think what really this moon is. Can you imagine or can you think that how come that the earth and the moon are so far, still this natural satellite of earth, that is the moon, it controls the tides in our seas and oceans. The tides, that is the waves in the seas and oceans, are controlled by moon, though it is too far from us, but still it controls our tides in seas and oceans. Now, we can also think that what would be the level of excitement of people when the first spacecraft landed on the moon. Now, to understand what has happened when the first two people landed on the moon, what actually must have happened. So here in the next slide, we are having an extract, that is a lesson, a part of a lesson written by Kenneth Agar. So let's read that. It is Sunday, 20th July 1969. The American astronauts Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin in the Eagle landing craft are slowly dropping down towards the surface of the moon. They glide over the rocks and craters until they see a clear and level space suitable for landing. Down, down, until the feet of the eagle gently touch and settle on the moon's surface. Through the cracking radio signals comes Armstrong's voice. So now it has been told to us that it is the matter of, was the day of 20th July 1969 when two American astronauts, their names are Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin, they sat in the Eagle landing craft. This is the name of an aircraft. So they sat on that and they were slowly landing on the surface of the moon. So when did a human put his first foot on the moon is 20th July 1969. On this day, Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin landed on the surface of the moon. Before them, nobody has reached the moon. So they glide over the rocks and craters. Now what does glide means? Glide means to move swiftly. So their spacecraft was moving swiftly over the rocks on the moon and also above the craters of the moon. Now craters are deep ditches on the surface of the moon. So uh, they were looking all those rocks and craters and then they find a suitable place for landing the spacecraft. So slowly the Eagle landing craft landed on the surface of the moon. And when they landed on the surface of the moon, they gave some radio signals to their respective spacecraft stations so that they could inform that they have reached safely. So through the cracking sounds of the radios, we can hear Neil Armstrong's voice. So what he says, let us see. The Eagle has landed. Very smooth touchdown. We are in the middle of a wide oval plain about 8 miles by 3 miles with some hills on the horizon. A large number of craters about 5 to 50 feet across. Every variety of rock here. Not much color, mostly grey. It's beautiful. So the Neil Armstrong, he said that the Eagle has landed. Now what is Eagle here? Eagle is the name of the spacecraft on which they have came. So he said that the Eagle has landed smoothly, and this landing was very smooth. They did not find any difficulty in landing, and they said, then he explained the surface, or you can say surrounding near him. So he said that we are standing in the middle of a very large open plain land which seems like oval in shape, and it is about 8 miles by 3 miles. So he told the distance that approximately we are in the middle of a plain land which is about a mile of 8 miles by 3 miles, and there are some small hills on the horizon. Horizon is the extreme last, you can say, boundary to which our eyes can see. Here it means that. And he also told that there are craters. Craters are deep ditches which are 5 to 50 feet across. So there are ditches which range from 5 feet to 50 feet. And he said that there is on the moon surface there are every variety of rock is available here. They can see every variety of rock, but most of them are in gray color. And he also told in the last that it looks beautiful. When they landed on the moon, he was very happy. He found so many kinds of rocks there, though they were all gray. It was really beautiful. So that's all for this video today. The rest of the part we are going to cover in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.